All right, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the Tarrant County Law Library. Hello? Hello?
Were you trying to get some services?
Yes, I was. Well, I have been for like 4 months now, and they just won't serve any documents.
Okay. We're not sure, as to why or anything like that. The law library isn't connected to the courts or the district clerk.
Yeah, they keep quoting this case that went through the I think it was the 10th Court of Appeals, where they said that they can charge copy fees, and they're charging copy fees to issue citation now.
Okay. And as far as getting around that, we're not aware of anything. Now, at the bottom of the email, sorry, I can't talk. It's been a long day. At the bottom of the email we sent, there is information for signing up to speak to an attorney, and maybe they would know like some way to get around, because they're definitely more familiar with the district clerk's procedures and things like that. So that might be a route that you tried, where you can. It's like a legal line sign up. You go in, you click on it, and you sign up for a specific time to speak with an attorney, and then you put in your question. Maybe they would know.
Was that the? I didn't see it. Was that the bar association thing?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't afford it. That's $25 for the referral.
No. This one's free. It's not the lawyer referral.
Oh, okay.
It's called Legal Line Sign Up.
Okay.
And
I'll check that then.
Like the Legal Line. Yeah, take a look at that one. That one is free. Now, it is limited times of the month, because it's attorneys who are volunteering, so they just have it, I think, a couple times a month. But you sign up for a specific time, and then an attorney calls you.
Okay, I'll definitely do that. I think the problem right now is that case, I actually looked at it, and it was actually dismissed for lack of jurisdiction, and they're quoting it like they actually had an affirmed ruling, and it's specifically for copies. And, the Texas Rules of Civil Procedure says that everything they shall issue citation and pay for process of service and everything is, just taken care of. And I don't think they're realizing that, like, I've sat there and called them, and they're like, well, all you can do is get a digital citation. And then I asked for that, and they're like, we can't give you a digital citation because you got to pay copy fees. And I think the problem is they're just not paying attention to realize that for 4 months I've been without a car because it got towed for abandoned vehicle after just a couple hours, which isn't illegal for abandoned vehicle. Yeah, and I lost my job, and so I literally cannot get up there. I cannot go up to the constable's office. I do not have the money left to do any kind of citation or anything. And they just keep, and I'll be like, okay, so what do I do? And they're like, there's nothing wrong. You need to talk to the law library. And I'm like, I'm looking at Texas Rules of Civil Procedure 145A and C right now, and it says, you have to do this because I can't afford it unless you have a court order. And she's like, well, I can't answer your questions, because I was like, okay, show me where it says it in procedure, and they can't. So I think they've actually messed up and just didn't realize it, and now it's costing me a ton of money that they just weren't paying attention. So I'll sign up for that legal aid thing. Hopefully it's coming up soon.
Yeah, because you cited the laws and stuff that we're familiar with that mentioned any of that kind of stuff. So as far as anything apart from that, the only thing I could think of is maybe an attorney would know more. I wish I could provide more information, but all we have is that like article and then the legal line sign up. Now we could set up a Lexis account for you, where it's like a 3-day access where you can conduct legal research through Lexis.
Yeah, I had Westlaw for a little while, and I couldn't find it. Like, Westlaw gave me a 14-day trial, and I couldn't find anything in there.
Okay, yeah, because Lexis is similar to Westlaw, it's like the same kind of thing.
Yeah, if you're on the affidavit of inability to pay cost, they're supposed to do it. Basically, the only thing they can ask me really to do is to go and deliver the stuff to the constable myself, and they don't respond to you just sending it to emails to them. I did finally get one of them. They're like, hey, can you come up here? And when I explained the situation to him, he was like, oh, okay, yeah. He's like, that does leave you unable to bring it up here, and they got that served and everything. But like with my tow and everything, they're dodging it. Like they've been dodging it now for 4 months. They have an attorney. They won't release my property, saying that we're in litigation and everything. And I'm like, yeah, but you're not even filing an answer while you dodge the service. How can you claim to be in litigation at the same time? So we're definitely having some issues there. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome, and I hope it works out. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, it'll work out. I mean, the tow company is doing nothing that the a jury's going to be very happy about. They know about it. They could sign a waiver. They could just go ahead and file a response and get us into court and everything. They're stalling for no reason except to cause me damages. So I'll be fine.
All right. Well, if there's anything, resources or anything you do want access to, just feel free to either give us a call or shoot us an email, either one.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And bye.
Bye.